Ikaw ba yung taong kapag nagmahal binibigay lahat? O yung taong minsan undecided at going with the flow lang? Sa madaling salita, are you the one who loved the most or the loved one? And this movie reaction, or let me say review, is from the side of the one who loved the most. The movie is a bittersweet romantic film starring Ann Curtis as Ellie and Jericho Rosales as Eric. It's a realistic portrayal on what's happening between a relationship. Once you read the premise, it looks so simple, but once you've watched the movie, the technicalities was so great and beyond expectation. It's a non-linear storytelling. Para bang yung barkada mo nagkwento ng halo-halo yung present and past. Ganun po yung pelikula na ito. At pati ikaw, mabibilib. Kasi grabe yung pagtagpi-tagpi ng mga scenes. Hindi ka maguguluhan kasi alam mo na ito yung past, ito yung present. Kasi iba yung color tone, iba yung setup. Sobrang galing na ng technicalities. Paano pa pag pinag-usapan natin si Jericho and Ann Curtis? So while watching this one, the impact deeply penetrated to me. Kasi alam mo yon, yung napapaisip ka na napagdaanan ko na ito eh. And ganito pala yung feeling kapag nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa pinapanood mo. Yung feeling na lahat binigay mo pero hindi pa rin enough. At marirealize mo na dumarating rin tayo sa stage ng in denial na kahit kitang-kita mo na yung red flags, na isasantabi mo to kasi mahal mo siya. At pinarealize dito na syempre kapag nagrelasyon ka, dapat meron kayong mutual understanding between you and your partner. Diba? Hindi lang puro ikaw, hindi lang puro siya. Dapat balance. And syempre, dapat may future goals kayo. After 5 years, after 10 years, nasa na kayo after 15 years, and so on and so forth. Imagine a 10-year relationship pero hindi alam kung saan patungo. Mahirap naman talaga yun, di ba? Basically, this movie is an eye-opener at minsan kailangan natin tanggapin kung ano ba talaga tayo para sa tao na yun. At wag nating ipilit kung wala talaga. And one of my favorite scene there, yung nagtitigan lang sila and their eyes explains 1,000 words. This is the movie that you need to watch plenty of times para ma-appreciate nyo yung bawat POV ng story. The Loved One, showing in cinemas February 11. See you in cinemas, highlighters! Love is love talaga yun, no? Mapanakit.